calling. How can I help today? Yet, is this about a repair, installation, or scheduling an appointment?
Yes, I want to book an appointment for today around 2 p.m. for AC repair.
Sure, let me take a look. Checking the available appointment options now. May I have your name, please?
David.
Got it. One moment. Checking the available appointment options for today around 2 p.m. now. Perfect. I've successfully confirmed your AC repair booking for today at 2 p.m. Your booking is all set, David. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, thank you.
Calling. How can I help today? Yet, is this about a repair, installation, or scheduling an appointment?
Yes, I want to know if 2 p.m. today is available for HVAC maintenance.
Okay, I'm checking that now. Checking the schedule for HVAC maintenance at 2 p.m. today. I'm sorry, but the time slot 2 p.m. on today is already booked. Here are the available time slots for this date. 1. 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. Heating repair. 2. 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. Heating repair. 3. 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. AC repair. 4. 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. Heating repair. Which of these times would work for you?
None of these actually work for me. I need 2 p.m. today for HVAC maintenance.
Okay, I'm checking that now. Checking alternative appointment options for HVAC maintenance at 2 p.m. today. I'm sorry for the inconvenience. It seems that 2 p.m. is fully booked for HVAC maintenance today. Would you like to consider any other available times today or on a different day for HVAC maintenance?
No, let me talk to your team member. Any human.
Sure, let me take a look. A team member will be right with you to assist. A team member will be right with you to assist. Hello.
Hello, is this human talking?
Hello. Yes. Okay.
Okay, human escalation
Okay. I
tested.
can hear you. Yep. Sounds good. Yep. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay. Thank you.
Hello. Hello, is this human talking?
Yes, okay. Yep, okay, I can hear you.
Human escalation tested.
Yep. Sounds good. Yep. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, thank you.